Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Michibe. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve your ombre lips. If you are new to this channel, nice to meet you, and if you've been supporting me, thanks so much. No further ado, let's get straight into this video. First, I'm going to moisturize my lips with my lip gloss for smooth coverage. I'm done moisturizing my lips. I'm going to use 3 different colors of lipsticks today, since that's what ombre lips is about. I'm going to start from the darkest color, brightest color. So I'm going to start with my upper lips. I'm going to sculpt it like a V shape, then I'll line it down to the side. Okay, so I'm going to line my bottom lips. Okay, so I'm just going to go in with my nude lipstick. Okay, so I'm just going to go in with my fluffy brush. I'm just going to blend in the 2 lipsticks together to avoid harsh lines. Then I'm going to use the last color, which is the glossy lipstick. Then I'm just going to blend everything together. And so I'm going to use my concealer with my angled brush to clean the edges of my lips. Okay, so that's all for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.